I have had lots of people ask me about homes in the $300,000 to $500,000 price range, and they want new construction. There are lots of options across the county, but there is one stretch of road that has grown more than any others. Stick around and I will tell you where that is. I am Mike Lavoie. I'm a realtor with Dalton Wade Real Estate here in sunny Tampa, Florida. My wife Paula and I help both buyers and sellers throughout the entire Tampa Bay area, and we enjoy making friends doing it. Today I am going to continue on my series of new neighborhoods in the Tampa area with one of our favorites. When you start looking around, you're going to find that there are several new developments going up in the Tampa Bay area. Places like Wesley Chapel and Riverview, Land O'Lakes, and Odessa are probably the hottest spots right now. So why is there so much construction going on in those areas? The simple answer is large tracts of land are still available to build on, and you get these expansive communities with the amenities people want. And the land is a lot less expensive. Closer to Tampa or St. Petersburg, there are very few large pieces of land to build on, and the land that is available is going to be a whole lot more expensive. Building close to town can be done, it just means that the home is going to be considerably more expensive and probably on a smaller piece of property. If you're looking for new construction in that price range, you're most likely going to be looking at one of those several places that have planned developments in East Hillsborough, most of Pasco County, and northern Pinellas County. One of those areas is along Highway 54 in Pasco County. From Trinity all the way over to Wesley Chapel, Highway 54 has been bristling with new subdivisions for the last few years. There are several reasons that we really like the Odessa area. One of those is location. Bordering along Hillsborough County and Pasco County, Odessa stretches along Highway 54 west of the Veterans Toll Road, which is also known as the Suncoast Parkway, depending on where you're sitting. Odessa is far enough out that you get that relaxed country feel, but it is literally minutes to the airport, downtown Tampa, if you're using the Veterans Toll Road. Yes, it is a toll road, so there is an added cost. Just like all of our roads in the county, rush hour, it can get congested. On the other side of the coin, it does connect to I-275, which gets you to some of the best beaches in the country, the airport, or downtown Tampa, usually in short order, depending on the time of day you decide to travel. When we moved to the area in the late 1980s, Highway 54 was a two-lane road lined with cow pastures. Very few people at that time could have imagined the growth that road would experience over that period of time. Now there are theaters, you can shop until you drop at the shops at the Wiregrass Mall or Tampa Outlet Mall, or one of the hundreds of specialty shops that dot the area. If you like to eat out, there is literally every kind of restaurant that you could think of, from chains like Carrabba's and Hooters, which is going to open very soon out there, to small eateries like Benedetto's restaurant and our favorite Mexican restaurant, San Jose. The amazing thing about the area is that there is a public supermarket on every other corner. Well, it's not that many, but you are going to have no problem finding one. A good number of people moving into the Odessa area are looking at the schools in the area. The Florida State school grades for a lot of these schools is in the upper ranges. There is a website with the rankings down below. If you want to click on it, you need to check with the rankings for the particular school in the area you plan to move. Overall, the schools are very good. There are 4 major developments currently in progress, with several smaller communities scattered all across southern Pasco County. One of our favorite communities was carved out of a 16,000 acre cattle pasture known as the Starkey Ranch. In 1937, J. Starkey and Drew Cunningham drove their 300 head cattle herd from their original 650 acres to this southwest section of Pasco County and turned them loose on 16,000 acres of unfenced land. Over time, they gathered the money and purchased that land and started the CS Ranch. By 1965, he had had enough and sold the cattle ranch to his son. But to preserve the wilderness from encroaching development that he could see coming, the senior Starkey sold a very large tract of land to the Southwest Florida Water Management District. And that was the start of the B Starkey Wilderness Preserve, which is now an 18,000 or so acre Pasco County park. In early 2013, the Wheelock communities purchased the remaining 2,500 acres of the ranch from the family with the plans to create a vibrant master plan community. That community is now called Starkey Ranch. The goal of the developer was to combine new homes and construction and make it fit into a nature-based setting. Driving down the tree-lined streets, it's easy to see how nature has been preserved and see why people love Starkey Ranch. The natural beauty of the neighborhood is what makes it so special. To accomplish this, they set aside 800 acres of parks, 20 miles of hiking and biking trails connecting the neighborhood villages with play places, workplaces, places to shop and dine and just have fun. Those trails also link to the adjacent B Starkey Wilderness Preserve and to the Suncoast Trails, which scans, I think there's 3 counties and 42 miles. There is no one central community area in Starkey Ranch. The amenities are spread out among the community's 8 separate villages. There are multiple swimming pools as well as 4 dog parks, several parks, and play areas. Another great feature is the sports complex built by Pasco County right there in Starkey Ranch. And you can find baseball, soccer, football, softball, and lacrosse fields. Pasco County is also in the process of building a new K through 8th grade school right there in Starkey Ranch. It's scheduled to be ready for the 2021 school year. With over 500 events planned throughout the year, there is always something to do right there in the community. Some of the offerings include yoga, nature tours, book clubs, community barbecues, and movies on the green. While we agree that Starkey Ranch is pretty, it's exciting, and it's full of amenities, just who are the builders and what types of homes are they actually building? There are 8 separate villages in Starkey Ranch, each with a particular style and their own builders. The top builders in Starkey Ranch are Taylor Morrison, Homes by West Bay, Pulte Homes, and MI Homes. Prices at this point in time, and they're likely to go up, range from $292,000 to the $850,000 range for a single family home. Size of those homes is going to range between 1,600 to just over 4,100 square feet. The vast majority of those homes are in the $400,000 to $600,000 range. There are townhomes in Starkey Ranch, and they're starting out at about the $250,000 range. Woodfield Park was the first section to get started, and it is built around a 3-acre park with a pool, splash pad, pavilions, and a playground. This village features homes from MI Homes, Ryland Homes, and Homes by West Bay. The style of homes here go from townhomes to garden homes, park homes, and some village homes. Another popular village is the Esplanade. The Esplanade is a gated village of low-maintenance Tuscan-style single-story homes from Taylor Morrison. The Esplanade includes its own private clubhouse, fitness facility, and pool, but the residents get to enjoy the amenities offered throughout the rest of Starkey Ranch. Woodfield Preserve is also being built out by Taylor Morrison with homes that will range in size from 2,700 to just over 4,100 square feet. Homes in Woodfield Preserves are being built to Taylor Morrison's quality standards, and will have larger estate-sized lots, measuring 65 to 75 feet wide and 150 feet deep. All of these lots are on conservation or waterfront. Let's not forget that there are several resales available in Starkey Ranch. Resales are homes that have been purchased, lived in, and are listed to sell. If you're in a hurry and find something you like, this might be an option. There are currently 28 homes listed in Starkey Ranch for sale, and that's going to change every day. That list of current ones is available down below. Like most new large master plan communities, Starkey Ranch has a CDD fee. Currently that fee ranges between $2,100 and $3,200 a year. Your actual CDD fee is going to depend on the size of your lot and which of the 8 villages you decide to live in. If you'd like more information on CDDs, watch the video I made a couple weeks ago on CDDs. The link is up above. Well, that's about it for today. If you are interested in looking at any new homes in the several communities throughout the Tampa Bay area, please give us a call. We would love to help you. If you have watched my video about working with a builder, then you know why we suggest using a realtor. If you haven't looked at it, the link is up above. Watch it. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell as well. You do not want to miss any of our updates. Also, if you actually like the video, clicking on the little like button down below would also be a nice gesture. I would like to thank you for watching. My name is Mike Lavoie. I hope you have a great day.